Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can delete your watch history on your Facebook. So if you want to delete all your videos watch history, you can delete all in single click on your Facebook account. For that, just simply open your Facebook and click on your profile and go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you will find an option called activity log. Just simply click on this activity log. Now at the top you can see there are three options. The last one is activity history. Just simply click on activity history, and now here you will find there are many options, but just simply click on this filter option and simply click on categories. Now there are many options, but at the bottom you can see option called logged information. Just simply click on this logged information, and now in logged information there is a first option is search. So just simply click on this search, and here you can see there are option called videos you have searched for. Just simply click on this videos you have searched for, and this is your all Facebook records for the videos that you have searched. So how you will delete this? Just simply click on clear searches. Search, you can see the option called clear searches. Just simply click on clear searches, and you all video searches has been removed. So this is the way how you can delete all your video history, search history on your Facebook.